Many others with a Winnebago product, you might have your outside coach light fail due to moisture getting inside the lens there. The result of moisture getting in the lens is some of the individual LEDs start to fail. So you can see the last 3 aren't working, so it's 3 out of 9 not functioning anymore. So today we're going to change it up with a new one. Even though we're 5 months out of warranty, I contacted Winnnebago to see if they could send me a new one for no charge, and this is what they sent me. I think you have a better chance of getting these parts free if you install them yourself. Once you receive the new one, it's easy to figure out how the old one is attached. This is just a cap that pops off, and there is 2 screws that hold it onto the coach. So we'll go ahead and take the old one off first. Okay, the first thing you want to do is pry off this cover, just kind of protect the paint. Get both sides, there's little tabs underneath there. And it looks like it's glued on a bit. I just don't want to scratch that paint there. Yeah, it's kind of stuck on the foam there. Okay, just pull that off. The screws you want to remove are right here and here. Looks like they filled them with silicone to seal them. So you have to get that silicone out. Yeah, just a little bit of silicone. And that one. And they're Phillips screws in there, so we'll take those out now. To just pop off. They filled the back with silicone too around the wires, so you're going to have to force it out a bit. Yeah, you'll end up replacing all this silicone, so I'll go ahead and clean that out and get the wires out. Well, this is really one place they didn't skimp on. Sealing in this hole. It's a bit of overkill. But, there you go. Now just take note of which wire was attached to which. So in this case the yellow was onto the black and the white is on the white. Little solder paste. Okay, that should last forever. Now we have the heat shrink on and some electrical tape, and I'll start stuffing this back in. I'm not going to fill the entire cavity because I want to get this out, or I may have to get this out another time, so I'm going to do the front of it and a little around the whole edges, and that should be enough. That'll seal it. And a little shot in each hole there to seal the screws when they go back in. Over tighten these, it's just really thin aluminum. You'll strip that hole pretty quickly. And I think I'm probably going to do a bead of caulking above the top there. Just a really thin coating along the top here, just so nothing can get in behind. And we'll fill up the screw holes. I'm going to use the old cover. It's already tarnished a bit, so I might as well save the other one. When this one gets really tarnished, I'll just switch them out. There, done. I'll come back later once silicone dries and do another one just over the top of this cover, and that should keep all the water out. And one last test. There we go. Should be good for another 2 or 3 months.